Alright, here we go. Hornady Black 7.62. Doing a little switch up on the power test. Gonna call it flower power. Just really ain't having a whole lot of good results with the penetration. I'm trying to find out how many 1/4 inch boards, and everything seems to just be bouncing off because it's slowing down so much. So we're just gonna make the adjustment to it and call it flower power, which is a bag of flour, the water jug, and then the 10 boards behind it to actually see what it will penetrate. So y'all stay tuned for flower power. Alright, here we go. Ripped into the flour. Going in. Looks like we had a little shift in the flour as it expanded. See, it's right there. And if we go, it's kind of still lined up, but there you go. We got bullet fragments. Water. At least, yeah, we got some penetration now, so we'll check this out. But here we are. We got the first board. Definitely went through. Well, wanna be a pain in the ass today. Alright. So we got the first board, and it's like, there we go. We got part of the bullet in there. So we definitely got an indention, which it didn't clean go through, but it did. Managed to put lead in the next board. So technically that is penetration of one board. By Smoky Oak standards, we are making the call. That is penetration, even though it does not look like it on the other board. So we do have the 7.62x39 is officially the first bullet, but this is the new test to make penetration into the second board. And we have nothing on the following board afterwards. So not too bad, not too shabby. There's a little good chunk of lead right there. So they ain't really that good, but there we are. 7.62x39, the power test. New flower power is what we're calling it. So let's just keep it rolling.